first of all, thank you, Deepak. It is kind of dream come true for me as well, like for all of you. Um, so I never thought that I will be sitting here and people will be taking selfie and telling all of that. It is very overwhelming for me. A lot of people message me or comment on videos. That's a different thing. But people in front of me telling about my videos, how it helped them, their career and jobs. So it is really overwhelming. As far as I know myself, when I will be going back, I will be thinking how I can work hard more. I sometimes feels I don't deserve that much limelight, fame, money. I have not done so much hard work. So I will really, this event will really motivate me to work harder so that I can justify what I'm doing and I'm getting so much limelight, I can compensate by doing more hard work, right? I want to tell how about my, I mean, a lot of people will tell you about learn this, learn that. I want to tell you something how my career shaped out and at least what I feel about my career, right? So I have seen people uh, working, thinking about that I will impress my manager or I will get promotion or I will get good hike, right? But I feel in a different way. I feel why to think about all of those things, right? Company is giving you money, right? Isn't it enough reason to work hard and do your best, right? Why to expect more, right? If you do your job thinking that I will do in best of my ability, not thinking about someone will get impressed or you will get hike or not, right? Just work hard and do your best, right? I mean, it might not be the best thing, but whatever you can do at least without thinking of any outcome, if you do that, things will fall in place. At least for me, it has happened. I have never asked for promotion in my life, and I have got the fastest promotion in every company. When I joined NES, I got promotion in 6 months. I never asked my manager. In Amazon, I got promotion in 2 years, less than 2 years. Generally, from L5 to L6, people take 4 to 5 years, right? And I never asked my manager. My manager only told me, Ankit, we will work on your promotion. So it is because when you don't expect things, and when those things happening to you, you will feel good. If you are already expecting and then that is happening, it will not give you kick, right? Another aspect of my career is helping others. So I was very approachable always and without any expectations. Anyone comes to me, right? Not just in my team or other teams, right? I will help them right away. I remember in Deloitte, we used to have a very long floor, right? And a lot of teams used to sit. And many of them knew that this guy know SQL. So many people whom I don't know, they will come from different team and they will ask, Ankit, can you help us? And I will just help them without any expectations, right? And today if you see, the God has given me chance to help so many people, not just those 30, 30 or 50 people. I'm able to help thousands of people, right? So if you do your work with honesty, I think things will fall in place. You don't have to worry about all the noise, politics. We think about those things a lot. So just focus on work. I think everything will happen automatically, right? So for example, I was telling that I don't do any marketing as such. All my students are coming from word of mouth, right? They will tell that my senior has told, my brother has told, or someone has told me about your course, right? I can just focus on my content and everything is happening automatically. When you do something honestly, right, things will happen. Okay, so this is all Gyan, influencer Gyan. Now, coming to your career, I think I have taught thousands of students live, right? I mean, videos and all, very many people would have seen, but I have done a lot of live boot camps and I would have taught thousands of people. What I've realized is people are talking about a lot of fancy things, Gen AI, open table formats, this, that, but people lacking foundation, right? They don't know fundamentals. They don't know so if we talk about data engineering, what is fundamental things? Fundamental things are data modeling, data warehousing, right? What is distributed computing? Not specific to any tool, how it is happening in Spark or Snowflake or BigQuery. Just in general, what is distributed computing? If you know that, you can work on any tool, right? It is very easy. You should learn basic SQL, Python, right? These are the technologies you will be working with every day, right? So if you focus on these things, right, all these fancy items you can easily learn. But if you're lacking foundation, right, if you go to any product base or big company, they will never ask you these fancy things. They will ask you very fundamental things, right? They will ask you to design a data model, or they will ask about data warehousing, how you will optimize your data warehouse. And a lot of people don't know. They will just learn, directly go to AWS, learn some services, GCP, learn some services, do some interview questions. It doesn't work that way. If you want a long, good career, you should focus, double down on fundamentals. Go back, right? Go back to fundamentals, do multiple courses, do videos, and understand how system has evolved, right? Because knowing only new trends is not sufficient. You should know the history, how we have evolved from there to there. Then you will have big picture, right? Otherwise, you will always be struggling. You will say market jobs are not there, this, that. But people who have strong fundamentals, they always have multiple job offers and they will never be struggling with jobs, right? So just focus, work on yourself. Monday when you go back to your job, don't worry about your promotion, your next hike. Just whatever work is assigned to you, just think how I can do in a best way, in my capability, and I think everything will happen. Thank you.